Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, help on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You can see this grade. I have done this course for my one student. He got A plus grade in their course. Please contact me for your assignment help, exam help, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, writing, economics, and my math lab, and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will enable editing on this file. Now, focusing on the title of assignment, XB22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patience. Now here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on to question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patience XLS. Creator has automatically added your last name in the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see this my file. I have downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Okay, now moving on next question. Question number 2. Weekly blood pressure readings have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a cluster column chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it into chart sheets that will be used to contain several charts to easy references. Create a cluster column chart using the range A2 to C7 on April worksheet. Move the chart into cell A1 the chart sheet. Basically in this question we will have to create a cluster column chart using this range A2 to C7. You can copy this range A2 to C7. First you can copy this range. Now moving on Excel workbook, create a cluster column chart on April worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, click on April worksheet. First we will enable editing on this sheet and you can enter range in range area. Okay. Use create a cluster column chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on insert tab, click on recommended column chart. Here is cluster column chart. Then press OK. Cluster column chart will be inserted. Cluster column chart will be inserted. Then move the chart to A1 in chart sheet. Okay, click on move chart. Here is chart sheet. Then press OK. Right click on this chart, move the chart to chart sheet. Chart will move on chart sheet. Then cut it and paste in cell A1. Chart will be moved on cell A1 on chart sheet. This is done now. Now moving on question number 2, question number 3, you can see this. And the charts need a descriptive, easy to read title. Change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. You can copy this chart title. Now moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title. Then you can edit this chart title. Now next question is that question number 4, you realize the chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. Okay, change the chart type to cluster bar. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart, click on format, chart, click on chart design, click on chart type. Here is cluster bar. Change the chart type to cluster bar. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 5. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on a display screen. Set 4 inches high. You can copy this. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart, click on format tab. Then you can change height of this chart. You can set 4 inches of height. Here is chart height. You can see 4 inches height. Now moving on next question, question number 6. You want to remove the additional dates display on the category axis. Select the dates on the axis and display format Axis task pane. In this axis option category, select text axis, remove the extra date from the chart. Okay, basically in this question we will have to select the dates on the axis and then display the format task axis pane. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select this dates, right click on this format axis. Okay, in the axis option category, select text axis, and then remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7, you want to arrange the dates with the oldest date at the top. Display the dates in reverse order on category axis, that 4/1/2024 is at the top of the vertical axis. Basically in this question we will have to reverse this date. You can select this date, right click on this. First we will select this, right click on this, click on format axis, and then categories in reverse in order. You can see this 4/1/2024 is top of the date. Okay, now moving on next question, question number 8. Total question of this assignment is 29. Now I am doing question number 8. Create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on April worksheet. Move the chart to start at I1 in the chart sheet. Okay, basically in this question we will create a line chart using these two ranges, A3 to A7. Moving on Excel workbook, go to the April worksheet. First we will enter this range. Okay, then second range is D3 to D7. Press Ctrl and select second range D3 to D7. Okay, now create a line chart. Click on Insert tab, click on recommended chart, then click on line chart. Line chart will be shown, then press OK. Line chart will be inserted. Now move the chart into I1 in the chart sheet. Move the chart to I1 in the chart sheet. Now simply click on move chart, then object in, click on object in, and you can see this chart sheet, then press OK. Chart will be moved on the chart sheet, then right click on this, then cut it, and then simply paste in I1. Okay, chart will be moved to I1 in chart sheet. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 9. In question number 9, you decide to adjust the size of the line chart. Okay, set 3.5 inches height and 5 inches width. Moving on Excel workbook, you can click on this chart, then click on format tab. You can select height is 3.5 inches and width is 5 inches. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select this, width is also 5 inches. This is done now. I have done 9 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 10. In question number 10, change the line chart title to heart rates in April and bold the title. You can copy this title, heart rates in April. Moving on Excel workbook, you can change this title, heart. Okay, and then bold the title. Go to the home tab, click on bold. Title will be bold here. Now moving on question number 11. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the chart. Okay, select the dates and select axis. Basically in this question we will have to select the dates on this chart and then we will remove extra date from the charts and then select text axis. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select this date, right click on this, click on format axis. Okay, you can see this, select text axis. Okay, now remove the extra date from the charts. Now moving on next question, question number 12. You can see this. In question number 12, apply a black text font color to the value axis and the category axis on the line chart. Basically in this question we will apply black text font color on this value axis and category axis on line chart. Moving on Excel workbook. Here is category value axis, text font color to value axis and category axis. Apply black text font color. Moving on, click on home tab and then click on font color, select black text font color, and then here is category axis, select black text font color. Okay, value axis and category axis both black text font color or applied on both value and category axis. This is done now. You can see this. I have done this question completely right now. Now moving on next question. Question number 13. In question number 13, now you want to apply a gradient fill color to the plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient asset 1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plot area, format plot area, click on fill color, then select gradient fill color. You can see this with gradient fill asset 1 fill color, light gradient asset 1. Okay, light gradient asset 1 fill color is here. You can select this color, light gradient asset 1. Okay, this is done now. Then close this. Now moving on question number 14, you can see this question number 14 is that data label provide exact details. In this case, adding data label will provide exact hard rates. Add data label in the above position on the line chart. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on plus sign, click on data labels. You can see this data label above position on the line chart. Below here is above. Okay, and this is done now. You can see this. I have done this question code now. Now moving on question number 15. Question number 15 is that create a 2D pie chart using the range F3 to F4 and H3 to H4 in the April worksheet. Move the chart to start in A22 in the chart sheet. Okay, basically in this question we will have to create a 2D pie chart using this range F3 to F4. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on April worksheet. First we will add this range, enter this range. First range will be entered and second range is H3 to H4. Press Ctrl and select second ranges H3 to H4. Okay, H3 to H4. Now click on Insert tab for create a 2D pie chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on Insert tab, then click on 2D pie chart. Press click on 2D pie chart. 2D pie chart will be inserted. You can see this. Move the chart to chart. Start into cell A20 in chart sheet. Moving on Excel workbook, move the charts into chart sheet. Simply click on move chart, then click on object in chart sheet, then press OK. Move the chart into chart sheet. Okay, then in cell A22 in the chart sheet. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this, cut this and paste in cell A22 in chart sheet. This is done now. Now question number 16 is that change the chart title to percentage of normal and high blood pressure and apply black text font color to the chart title. First we will add this chart title. You can copy this chart title, percentage of normal and high blood pressure. Moving on Excel workbook, you can edit this chart title here. You can edit this chart title here. Now apply black text font color to the chart title. Okay. Now moving on Excel workbook, click on home tab and then select chart title and then go to the font color. You will apply black text font color on this chart title. This is code now. You can see this. I have done this assignment 90% for remaining question, or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignment, all quizzes, all simulation and simulation exam and complete course. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I also handling many students courses from USA and Canada. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, business classes. You can contact me for any classes on my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade. You can see this grade. Okay, I will provide you this grades. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.